How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get a stretch resolution on PS5. Basically, we are doing this from the entire setting of the PS5 only. So the first thing that you want to do is to just open up your game normally, and I suggest using something like a display port or display cable in order to use the full functionality of your display for PS5. So therefore, we'll be able to use the highest resolution, the highest refresh rate, and etc. Now, from there, head over to the gear icon, which is going to be the main setting of PS5. Scroll down and click on the screen and video option. From there, you will be able to navigate through the screen and video. And then for the video output, just make sure that you navigate through the resolution, and then you want to select the resolution that you want to play at. So for example, if you do something like 720p, it will basically stretch out the resolution for our television. And if you do something like 1440p, and then it's going to do the same thing. In here, you could also select your refresh rate if you want to. And for screen, just go ahead and select the similar setting and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.